Destiny, get out of the TV. Destiny, Destiny, pay attention to Daddy. Destiny, Mine's calling you.
Destiny.
Destiny, Mine's calling you.
Destiny.
Destiny, get out of the TV.
Destiny.
Destiny, you know they say you're not supposed to watch TV if you're 2 years old and younger. Get out of TV.
Destiny.
Destiny. Destiny. You don't see your mother and father calling you?
Destiny.
Hey. Destiny. Destiny. Hey.
What is wrong?
We're here. Hey. She's stuck back in the TV. We're here. We're here. Get out of the TV. Destiny, get out of the TV. What are you watching?
Jackie Markham, a mother.
Destiny, get out of the TV. Hey.
6 months.
I can't believe how we can't get her out of the TV.
Destiny.
Destiny.
Hey.
Destiny. Destiny, right here. We're right here. We're here. Hello. Hello. You want to say hi to us? Do you want to say hi to us? Do you want to say hi to us? Huh? Do you want to say hi to us? Huh? Do you want to say hi to us? Huh? Do you want to say hi to us?
Continues to try to wear Emerson down about his activities on December 14th, 2000. The Jackie
Love you. Love you. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Emerson begins the letter by